We're back at finishing the fence, and since these hardy plank pieces are a bit too much for the nail gun to handle, I'm going to remove these pieces and replace it with just pieces of wood for the back. This one actually is fairly new. Okay, so we're gonna have to fit this hardy plank into this space. There's some of it that's gonna be extra.
In the following clip, I have secured the hardy plank board on top of the countertop, and with the saw that I had available, I am scarring the hardy plank. It creates a lot of dust, so I have to wear a mask, and actually the mask wasn't good enough. Later, I switched to a complete respirator to block all the dust. I managed to cut the extra pieces out and also gave the hardy plank a 45-degree angle on both sides to make it fit better.
Well, this one actually came out a lot cleaner. The 45, way better than the other side. Yeah, it works. You just have to flip it around. So the better side is up. And nail it in place and should be good to go. We're gonna smooth out the rough edges. Kind of like dentistry with dust. Mark some of the spots we want to nail. And areas where we don't want to nail. It's also later when we want to mount the frame. I don't want to be fighting with the hardy plank backing. But I think that's good. The rest is not hardy plank. So here goes nothing. That's it. Next, my attention is to this piece of decking. So I had to leave it to get this in. I don't really care for wood being out here, but I don't want to eliminate too much of it. I'm gonna use a circular saw for this, and while I'm adjusting the blade on the circular saw, I remove the battery so the unit could not come on, because I kind of like my fingers. So I get the saw adjusted to where it'll hit the wood but not the metal. And we're gonna stay away from the stone and we're gonna cut it. The rest we're gonna cut with this saw. Now my new material for the counter, which is not going to be wood, it's made out of concrete, compressed concrete, will come here once I install the other piece.